What kind of aluminum material is good? It's here. Every piece of aluminum, they are all the crystallization of more than 40 years of technological precipitation. It's here, we continue to create more possibilities for the future. Good aluminum materials worth your expectations, right here. As a pioneer in the aluminum industry, Yonglijian is not only in the field of aluminum production, have leading technology and rich experience, have the determination and strength to continuously innovate. Quality, it is the cornerstone of Yonglijian's development, procurement from aluminum raw materials, until the product is perfectly formed, then to warehousing and logistics. Yonglijian has established an advanced excellent performance management system. In terms of fine management and quality monitoring, quality management and on-site management using key point control method, effectively track the entire quality control process to meet the quality pursuit of famous customers. Over the years, Yonglijian's stable product quality and good user reputation won wide praise from customers at home and abroad. Deliver. It is Yonglijian's commitment to customer trust. In Yonglijian, efficiency is competitiveness. Yonglijian relies on huge production capacity and perfect supply chain management, ensure every order is delivered on time, no matter the size of the order or time constraints, can achieve punctual, efficient, high quality, and comprehensive completion. Yonglijian originally creates and advocates the development concept of high quality, seeking innovation through science and technology, continue to explore new technologies, continuously launch new products, diversified aluminum profile product series, colorful colors, transparent luster, and excellent corrosion resistance, for the majority of users, create a new living space. Today, our products have been widely used in construction and home furnishings, medical care, transportation, new energy, aerospace and many other fields. Promote global high-quality layout. From national brand to global strategy, Yonglijian goes deep into the market, insight into needs, seize the opportunity, with superior aluminum processing solutions, provide customers with personalized services, help customers stand out in market competition. Yonglijian Aluminum, not just a symbol of quality and trust. It is also the benchmark for creating a century-old brand. Eternal innovation, benefit sharing, firm pursuit. Yonglijian Aluminum, provider of quality aluminum materials, the vision and ambition of those who are masters in the design of door and window systems, develop together with customers, grow with employees, will continue to innovate, bring more innovative aluminum products, approximately aluminum, create a better future. Aluminum alloy profile selection, Yonglijian Aluminum.